Welcome to a new video from CAD Master. Today we're gonna introduce you how to use a loft feature in the Autodesk Fusion 360. So the loft feature is pretty simple. When you have to have a design from when you have to have a transformation from one design to another, then you can use the loft feature. It's pretty useful when you are designing pipes or sections which have different geometry. So for example, if you want to merge a square to a circle, then you can use a Fusion 360's built-in loft feature. So in this tutorial, we will go through two examples. First would be, as I said, square and rectangle. Square and circle. Then we will go with maybe something else. Let's have a look into this first. When we're going with the rectangle, we're going to use the center rectangle just because we want it to be aligned. In this case, not always, but I just prefer to be aligned so that you can get the idea much faster and quicker. So here is one square. Just finish the sketch, and we're gonna create another offset plane because we want an offset plane to have the horizontal circle in there. So here we have an offset plane at an offset of 110 millimeters from the face. From the square, which is the 110 millimeters is just a random number. You can put anything. It's all up to your design requirements. So here we have the thing. We're gonna create a circle over there. We're gonna have a different size, like 35 or something. You can go with this 35 millimeter size. And we're gonna have a loft. See, and we're gonna create a loft. We're gonna click loft, and you click on this, and after you click on this, just see how easily it does it. So you have a connection between the square and a circle pretty easily without any effort. So when you want to design a chimney or something, then this thing can be much helpful. Just an example. So another feature, now let's try another example. Maybe we'll go with a polygon, maybe a pentagon, a hexagon this time. See, we put a hexagon here, and we're gonna just create loft. I'm showing you many examples so that you can be easy with this. See, it's that easy. Just made a hexagon and a square, just get connected easily. So that's easy as that. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want more content like this, subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button, and share this video among your friends so that they can be helpful for them as well. So that's all for this video.